I've been building a creative design studio for some time now. I think I'm at a point where I'm a bit more clear of what I want to do, who I am as a person and a designer, and I have a better understanding of my creative process and voice. I want to be well prepared for my ideal client. So we are building every little thing needed for a client to complete a project with me. And I've been here before. When I first started out, I had a contract, I had a proposal, like I designed and built it, and that was that. I wanted to freelance at that time, and I still do freelance, build a studio. I mean, there is a bit nuanced and technical, but so now that I find myself needing these things again, it's just funny. So yeah, that's what we've been doing this past month, and I will eventually show what they look like when they're ready and see how much we evolved. I just love seeing the transformation. I've also been working on a cookbook. So this is the cookie. This is not safe, guys. Don't watch me. Alright, we're baking cookies again. And hopefully I am happy with them. Right now, I browned my butter and we're waiting for it to cool. But not like any massive cookbook. It's going to be kind of zine inspired, but not really a zine. It's just kind of independent publishing. Back then, I also wanted to make a community cookbook. Couldn't execute it, but now we're kind of reviving it again because I did really want to complete something like this. I don't know if I'm going to share that much just yet, but it's not anything professional, I would say. Shit, I don't have any eggs. Or professional cooking. Collection of recipes that are tested. So this is a project where I will be applying the design studio, my design process to it and showcasing the entirety of it. Whoever is watching can understand what sort of process would happen if we were to collaborate. I think it's also just me refining and implementing, executing what I'm building. I want it to work, to be true. And what I mean by true is like what I'm servicing and providing for people is like what they're getting. It's still a challenge to complete this project, but I feel a bit more, like I feel more strength because I have grown in terms of my skills and just as a person since then. So let's see. Not trying to be something I'm not, okay? Back then I was definitely trying to like fake it till you make it, and everything I learned in the course, like boot camp, design boot camp and books, I'm like, okay. And I would just like regurgitate that and not taking in the information and applying it and like kind of like churning it and chewing it and eating it. But basically, I would accept what I read and things as truth and not really kind of transform them or experience that information myself. So yeah. That has been the meat of my month. What am I saying? I do need to like speak more, because I don't speak that much, or public speaking, or I just, because sometimes when I actually do talk, I'm like, what? I have been painting a piece, because last video I was working on color theory, and that has helped me with this piece. Not really near anywhere done. I think I met like the half mark of laying down colors, and it needs a lot more layers and much more like time with it before it's done. Been working on the backyard, me and my fiance. I don't know, I like saying partner. No matter what, I like saying partner. But me and my partner, we've been hauling rocks for the last 2 weeks, like tons of rock, because we are DIYing the backyard. So yeah, I think that's all I have today, and thank you for watching if you're watching, and have a nice day.